And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 249. Let me show you an easy 3D effect. Let me first copy the original here. I like to have it as backup just in case something happens. Press Ctrl J to copy it. I'll rename it to original and we're going to keep it. So I make it invisible. I go to the copy layer. Then we go to image adjustments and we make it black and white. Let me use the auto function and you can adjust that manually if you want to, but I'm fine with this. So I just confirm. Now we need to copy this 2 more times. First, let me rename that to black and white. So that's the one that we're going to leave unaffected. Then press Ctrl J 2 times. Second one I call red. Top one I call blue. And what we have to do now is to adjust blue and red. Just right click on it and then you should find what is called the blending options right here. Go to the blending options right there in the menu on the left, and there you should find the channels with 3 boxes. In our case we are on the blue layer, therefore we want to keep the blue one checked and uncheck the other ones. You will not see an effect, but if I make red and black and white invisible, you can see it is now the blue one. We switch to red, right click, blending options, and this time we're going to keep the R channel. So R is red, G is green, B is blue. And now we have blue, red and black and white below. And we activate the move tool, we are on the red channel, and I use the arrow keys to the right. If I zoom in, you can already see that. Now I'll switch to blue and I move it to the left, and you can see that we get this yellow color back. And this simulates a 3D effect. Depending on how far you go with the move tool, so how many times you use the arrow keys while the move tool is active on these layers, this is going to get more blurry, so be careful there, but it creates this typical anaglyphic effect. Once again, it's under blending options, just find these color channels and then set 1 to blue, 1 to red, and for the black and white we're going to keep all the channels. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.